Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to discuss function that takes a parameter. So here is the function that I defined. It's a public static void and the name of this function is greet, and it accepts one parameter that is of type string, and the name of this parameter is name. Okay, so whenever this function is called, it is going to execute this block of code. It is going to print hello and then put the name there after the hello that is used when we call this function. So now let me call the function in the main function. So in the main function, I have only one line of the code. I have the call of the function that is greet. So I write down simply the name of my function there. Then inside parentheses, because this takes a parameter that is called name, I write down that here is Alice. Okay, so I want to have the call of the function that is Alice. So when I run the code, it says hello Alice. So this function is called, hello message is by default being printed, and then this name that is passed as the argument, which is Alice, is going to be printed there. So now I would like to have the greet function, and now I would like to write down the name of Reza. Okay, so I just write down the name of Reza. This name is going to be by default there. It's because of my compiler. If your compiler might even have it, it means that this Reza is going to be assigned to the name variable that is required when calling the greet function. So when I run the code now, this time it says hello Reza. You see it here? So this is basically a function that takes a parameter, and this function is going to basically print this line of the code plus the name that is used to call the function. Thank you for watching.